Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just drive, it dominates. A truck so colossal, so meticulously engineered that it turns the idea of off-roading into pure luxury theater. Welcome to the $2 million 8x8 luxury expedition truck, the ultimate off-road monster built for the apocalypse. This is not your everyday SUV. This is the future of adventure, survival, and uncompromising power. From the moment it rolls into view, the design screams authority. Its 8 wheels claw at the terrain with relentless precision. The aggressive, angular bodywork slices through mud, sand, and snow like a predator stalking its prey. Every line, every curve, every reinforced panel is engineered to handle environments where most vehicles fear to tread. And yes, it's a spectacle, a mobile fortress with a shockingly refined luxury edge. Matte and satin finishes contrast against chrome accents, giving it a presence that's both intimidating and aspirational. Step inside and the interior is a revelation. Forget dusty utilitarian expedition vehicles. This cockpit feels like a digital command center. Massive touchscreen displays monitor navigation, terrain analysis, and real-time diagnostics. Plush leather seats cradle you with adjustable lumbar support, heating, and ventilation. Ambient lighting transforms the cabin into a high-tech lounge. From satellite communication systems to an advanced climate-controlled environment, it's a sanctuary designed for those who refuse to compromise comfort for capability. Under the hood, the performance is nothing short of astonishing. Multiple powertrain options combine high-output diesel engines with electric assist, producing jaw-dropping horsepower capable of propelling this 8x8 behemoth across the harshest landscapes. Acceleration is deceptive. You might expect lumbering weight, but this monster moves with surprising agility. Advanced suspension systems ensure that every wheel adapts independently, hugging the terrain while keeping passengers insulated from the bumps and jolts of the wild. Range? It can travel hundreds of miles without refueling, a true testament to its expedition pedigree. Safety and innovation are equally formidable. Reinforced armor plating, advanced driver assist technology, and cutting-edge sensor arrays turn this truck into a fortress on wheels. Night vision, collision avoidance, autonomous terrain mapping, these aren't just luxury add-ons, they are essential tools for conquering unknown territory. Every feature is designed to give you control, confidence, and peace of mind, whether navigating urban jungles or remote wastelands. Market impact? This is more than a vehicle, it's a statement. Priced at $2 million, it eclipses the competition in both scale and sophistication. Rivals may promise off-road thrills, but few offer this blend of military-grade resilience and first-class luxury. It's a truck that redefines expectations, a game-changer that challenges the very definition of adventure mobility. In a world where exploration meets extravagance, the 8x8 luxury expedition truck doesn't just arrive, it dominates. Every detail, from its commanding presence to its futuristic cockpit and unrelenting power, sets a new benchmark for what off-road vehicles can achieve. This isn't just a truck, it's a lifestyle, a fortress, a declaration that the future of adventure is uncompromising, intelligent, and utterly awe-inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.